So when you get your canvas 360 mount, the arms and the 360 ball head are going to be pre-installed, but the magnetic mount or the spring clamp, if you went that route, are going to be separate in the box. So you want to go ahead and get those out, get them ready to install in just a second. Now, to prep your mount, you want to go ahead and push this locking collar all the way back. See how it's all the way back that way. Now, if we spin it this way accidentally and it comes off, no big deal. Just make sure you put it back on there and push it all the way back to the back of the threads. Then you want to take your magnetic mount and using the 1/4 inch tripod mount there, you want to carefully put it on without dropping it, get those threads to catch and spin it all the way on. Once it's on, you want to give it an extra kind of 1/4 turn just to make sure it's really tight. All right, and then to really lock things in place, you want to take this collar, spin it clockwise until it's really nice and snug up against the back of the magnetic mount. Then you can spin it in any direction, up and down, and you won't have any loosening. Now, if you don't tighten this collar all the way, what's going to happen is when you spin this mount to the left, the magnetic mount is going to come loose and eventually fall off like that. You don't want that to happen. So make sure when you install your magnetic mount, put it all the way on, and then tighten this collar as much as it'll go. And that way you know no matter which way you turn the mount, however you position it, however you grab it, it's going to stay nice and firm and ready to use. Pop your phone on and start shooting.